Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an extraordinary thought experiment. What if Earth was as big as Jupiter? Imagine the changes it would bring to our lives, our environment, and even the solar system. Stick around to find out how this scenario would affect everything from gravity to the weather, and what it could mean for the survival of life on our planet. Stick around to find out just how different our lives would be on a Jupiter-sized Earth. Let's talk about our awesome sun, which is like the coolest big brother ever to both Earth and Jupiter. But honestly, that's where the sibling resemblance ends. You see, Earth is this cute little rocky planet that's not even 4,000 miles wide. And guess what? It's got everything we need for life: water, air, a magnetic field, and a perfect spot in the sun's warmth. How cool is that? Now Jupiter, that's a whole different story. It's a massive, gas-filled planet that's so far from the sun it can't really support life like Earth does. Talk about being the odd one out. And did you know it's 11 times bigger than Earth? Yup, it's the solar system's heavyweight champ. Fun fact, Jupiter has at least 79 moons while Earth has just one. But let's get a little wild here. What if Earth and Jupiter were more alike? Imagine Earth suddenly ballooned up to 11 times its size, just like Jupiter. Sounds fun, right? Well, not really. Our growing population wouldn't suddenly have more space and resources to party with. Instead, we'd see some pretty intense changes in Earth's gravity, making our lovely planet, well, not so lovely and not able to support life. Jupiter is like 11 times larger than Earth, so our gravity would be 11 times stronger. Yeah, you'd feel like a pancake because your muscles wouldn't be strong enough to help you move. Now let's take a trip to an alternate universe where Earth has always been Jupiter-sized. Ready? Poof! Welcome to the land of short stuff. Mountains, trees, animals, and even us humans would be shorter. Why? Well, stronger gravity makes it harder to grow tall. Smaller things don't have to struggle with gravity as much since they weigh less. You know what's cool? Astronauts. When they spend a long time in space with no gravity, they actually grow taller. Yup, Earth's gravity isn't squishing their spines up there. So next time you wish you were taller, just remember you could be living on a Jupiter-sized Earth and be even shorter. Imagine if Earth's gravity suddenly turned into Jupiter's gravity. Yeah, that's right. Imagine everything getting super heavy. The air around us would be pulled down, making the Earth's atmosphere way more pressurized. Breathe in that thick air. Now, a higher atmospheric pressure wouldn't just make our lungs work harder, but it would also mess with water. You see, how water behaves depends on air pressure. That's why water boils at lower temperatures up in the mountains. So, if air pressure went up, boiling water would become mission impossible, making it super hard for water to evaporate. Weather would go bonkers. With Earth's gravity boost, not only would things on the surface change, but it would also have a stronger pull on space stuff like asteroids. Imagine Earth the same size as Jupiter, attracting bigger and badder asteroids. But don't worry, giant asteroid collisions happen only once every 100 million years. Phew! Earth is pretty safe from asteroids because it's tiny compared to Jupiter. Jupiter is like our big brother, taking more asteroid hits for the team. Some astronomers even think Jupiter's strong gravity keeps comets and asteroids from smacking Earth. Jupiter acts like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, sucking up space junk and either moving it or smashing it to bits, so Earth doesn't get hit by surprise. But if Earth were Jupiter's size, we might see more asteroids crashing into us that would have otherwise flown by. Now let's dig deeper, literally. One thing you might not notice right away with a bigger Earth is what happens under the surface. Earth has a gooey iron core that creates our magnetic field. More pressure on the core could make it more solid, which could be a game changer for our magnetic field. Without our magnetic field, Earth would be bombarded by harmful solar radiation. Rory Barnes, a cool scientist from the University of Washington, says our magnetic field protects life on Earth from the bad things in space. So, without it, we'd be toast. If Earth was as gigantic as Jupiter, our good buddy the Moon would be in for quite a ride. So right now, the Moon is chilling about 238,855 miles away from us. With that distance, it's got a sweet groove going, circling Earth every 28 days or so. But let's say Earth pumps up the gravity jams. Oh boy, the Moon's tides would go absolutely bananas. Why, you ask? It's because our Moon would snuggle up too close to Earth's roach limit, like a clingy friend. The Roche limit's the spot where big satellites can't resist a planet's gravitational pull and end up getting pulled apart. Fun fact, Saturn's stunning rings could have been moons that got all up in its Roche limit and couldn't handle the gravity love. So if Earth became Jupiter-sized, our moon might be like, "Hey, I'm a fancy ring now." Talk about a cosmic makeover, huh? And there you have it, a glimpse into an alternate reality where Earth is as big as Jupiter. As we've discovered, such a scenario would bring about dramatic changes to our planet and its inhabitants. Stronger gravity, higher atmospheric pressure, and increased asteroid impacts are just a few of the challenges we'd face. So maybe it's best that Earth remains its current size after all. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-bending explorations. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. What other space-related thought experiments would you like us to tackle next? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep reaching for the stars.